Someone deep inside Apple's supply chain just made a massive mistake because I personally just received exclusive confirmation that Apple is 100% releasing their first ever foldable iPhone, Music, the iPhone Ultra Fold, next month at the September event. And based on the leaked hinge mechanics and the dual screen features that I'm going to explain in this video, I am absolutely trading in my current phone, and I guarantee a lot of you will too. So, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the 6 undeniable pieces of evidence that confirm the launch date is happening next month. For number 1, Mark Gurman just dropped a bombshell regarding new supply chain movements that point directly to a September reveal. Previously, the consensus was that Apple's foldable project was pushed back to late next year due to durability issues with the flexible OLED panel, which, honestly, was a huge letdown for anyone waiting to upgrade. But today, he revealed that Apple has secretly been developing 2 distinct foldable prototypes this entire time. One is a clamshell flip phone codenamed V68, which is indeed delayed. But the second model, a book-style foldable codenamed V69, has rapidly moved past the engineering stage and is entering mass production right now with an internal target for this year. This V69 model isn't a prototype anymore. It is finalized hardware. And based on the next 5 reasons, I fully believe we are seeing this next month alongside the rest of the new lineup. Now, the second piece of evidence comes from a prominent iOS developer who is digging through the latest iOS 27 developer beta and found explicit traces of that exact V69 codename. But it gets better. They found code strings referencing a dynamic canvas state and unfolded resolution metrics that do not match any existing iPhone or iPad on the market. Historically, Apple only bakes these specific hardware UI states into the beta code, right, when they're testing a product meant for an imminent launch on that exact software version. And we all know that software is dropping this September. Now, before we get into piece of evidence number 3, which is actually my exclusive behind-the-scenes confirmation, I want to first explain why Apple is dropping the Ultra Fold right now and why millions of people are going to happily pay a premium for it, including the massive hardware upgrades I'm about to break down. Apple is pushing massive boundaries with their new Siri AI 2.0 framework next month. It's deeply integrated into the OS, but to really take advantage of it, you need serious screen real estate. Imagine having a device in your pocket that seamlessly unfolds into an iPad mini-sized display. You can be on a FaceTime call on one half of the screen, while Siri AI is actively pulling up your calendar, taking notes, and generating visual data on the other half. It's all about extreme multitasking. The hardware itself is going to be absolutely insane. We are expecting a brand new aerospace-grade titanium hinge that completely eliminates the display crease, something Samsung still struggles to perfect. Plus, they are reportedly bypassing the standard A-series chips entirely and putting a modified M-series chip inside this phone to handle the sheer graphics load of running 2 120Hz promotion displays simultaneously. And to keep it impossibly thin, they're using a revolutionary stacked silicon battery technology to maximize battery life without making the phone feel like a brick in your pocket. On top of that, we're expecting the exact same 5x tetraprism optical zoom lens found in the Pro Max, meaning you aren't sacrificing camera quality for the foldable form factor. Which brings me directly to evidence number 3, my exclusive information that absolutely confirms this foldable is dropping next month. Music. A few days ago, I received a highly confidential email in my inbox from a major accessory brand inquiring about a sponsored ad integration for a video next month. The product? A protective case for the brand new iPhone Ultra Fold. Now, I'm obviously not going to name the brand, but these massive case manufacturers are stationed directly in Shenzhen, right next to the assembly lines. They get the exact CAD files and dummy units months in advance, so they can manufacture their accessories in time for launch day. We've seen this happen before. Remember when all those metal dummy units leaked early? I've had brands book sponsorships with us for completely unannounced Apple products in the past, sending us cases with bizarre dimensions, and they absolutely nailed the exact release window and design perfectly. The fact that a premium case maker is aggressively trying to lock in ad space for a foldable iPhone next month, Music, is the ultimate smoking gun. Moving on to evidence number 4. Display supply chain analyst Ross Young recently confirmed that a massive shipment of 8-inch ultra-thin glass panels just left the manufacturing plants. He specifically noted that these are a completely new, proprietary composite material designed to withstand millions of folds, and they're tiered for a flagship ultra-premium device, sitting way above the Pro Max. The timing of these component shipments perfectly aligns with a September assembly and rollout. For number 5, it all comes down to the software ecosystem. Apple is launching their biggest iPadOS and iOS overhauls in years this September, introducing features that bridge the gap between phone and tablet. It makes zero sense to launch those massive productivity updates without the ultimate hardware to showcase them on. Launching the Ultra Fold alongside this software allows Apple to demonstrate the ultimate ecosystem synergy live on stage. Finally, for evidence number 6, this is aggressively shaping up to be Apple's year of the Ultra. This is the year they release multiple, insanely expensive tier products that sit above the Pros. We already have the Apple Watch Ultra dominating the premium wearable space. We are expecting the M-Series MacBook Ultra later this fall. Apple is deliberately creating a new ultra-luxury tier across their entire product stack. If there was ever a perfect moment to unleash a completely new form factor and establish dominance in the foldable market, it is right now, riding the massive wave of the Ultra branding. Everyone is going to want to be seen with an Ultra device. .as for the pricing. Prepare your wallets, because with the titanium build, M-Series silicon, and a crease-free dual display, I expect this to start at no less than $1,999 or even higher if they max out the base storage. But for the power users, it might just replace your phone and your iPad entirely. So, with that said, comment down below if you think this is enough evidence to know for sure that the iPhone Fold is finally here. And are you willing to pay the Ultra tax? Subscribe above for more exclusive tech leaks just like this one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.